Understanding recovery and fitness.
Recovery is a key part of any exercise routine. It allows your muscles to repair, grow, and prepare for your next workout. But not all recovery is the same. There are two main types: active recovery, which involves light activity, and passive recovery, which means complete rest. Knowing when and how to use each can help you achieve the best results.
What is active recovery?
Active recovery means engaging in gentle movements, such as walking, cycling at a low intensity, or dynamic stretching after intense workouts. The goal is to keep blood flowing and aid in muscle repair without putting stress on the body. This approach can help reduce muscle soreness and speed up recovery by delivering nutrients to tired muscles.
What is passive recovery?
Passive recovery is all about resting and allowing your body to heal without additional movement. This includes activities like sleeping, lounging, or simply taking a day off from exercise. It's especially helpful when you're feeling fatigued, injured, or after extremely strenuous workouts. Passive recovery gives your body a chance to fully recharge.
When to choose active or passive recovery?
Active recovery is ideal after moderate workouts or on rest days when you feel capable of gentle movement. It can prevent stiffness and keep you feeling energized. Passive recovery is best when you're exhausted, dealing with an injury, or after maximum effort sessions. Listening to your body will help you choose the option that supports muscle repair and overall progress.
Tips for optimal muscle repair.
Combine both recovery methods as part of your routine for the best results. Hydrate well, get enough sleep, and eat balanced meals rich in protein and nutrients. Stretching and foam rolling can enhance active recovery, while relaxation and quality sleep strengthen passive recovery. By balancing both, you'll support muscle repair, reduce injury risk, and promote consistent progress.